Hey guys, this is our new Bible story for the week called Elisha Helps a Widowed Lady. This is from 2 Kings 4, verses 1 through 7. So once there was a widowed lady, a person whose husband had passed away, and she was very, very sad. She had 2 boys, and she had no money to buy food or to pay her bills. What is she going to do? One day she went to the prophet Elisha and she told him about her problem. Elisha kindly listened, and he wanted to help the widow lady and her boys. She told Elisha how she did not have any money and she didn't have anything to eat, and that she wasn't even sure how they were going to make it another day. Elisha asked her, "What do you have in your house?" She said, "Nothing but a small pot of oil," she told him. Elisha told the lady to do something very strange. We're going to find out what that is tomorrow. Bye, guys.